What's going on, everyone? I have another quick video for you. In this one, I will showcase this transition for your text in Premiere Pro. It looks like the text is pixelating in and out, so let's see how this is done.
This is creative society.
In Premiere Pro, I got my footage ready, I got my text ready. It works pretty well with big text, so choose a font that's bold. Then for the text layer, press and hold shift and move with the arrow keys 4 steps to the right. Make a cut there, and then same for the end. Go to the end of the layer, press and hold shift, and then move 4 times to the left. Make a cut there as well. And now it's time for us to select the first part, go to effects, search for mosaic, add the effect to the first block, then add some keyframes for the horizontal blocks and the vertical blocks. One keyframe in the beginning, one at the end. And then for the first keyframes, we want to keep this at 10. And for the second keyframes, we want to put this to 100, both for horizontal blocks and for vertical blocks. Choose the point in between the blocks and hit Shift D to add a default transition. Mine is set to cross dissolve, so this is why it's adding this kind of transition. Double click to make it shorter. I'm going to choose the length to be 5. And here's a preview of how this looks like so far. And in the effect controls panel, for this effect, you can check the sharp colors box. Here's how it looks like frame by frame. It's really up to you if you want to keep this on or off. You can also try iris box. This is how it looks like. Or another suggestion would be center split. Alright, now it's time for us to make the fade out effect. Again, look for mosaic, add this to the third block, add keyframes for the horizontal and vertical blocks, change the initial value to 100 for both of them, and the second value is going to be 10. Add a transition in between, change the duration to 5 so it's symmetrical. Make sure they both look the same. And last but not least, for the final transition, make sure you hit reverse if it has that option. Alright, so this is how it looks. If you want to add another text, select the first 3 blocks and then holding option, just drag in the timeline to create a copy. And then all you have to do is to change the text. That was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead, subscribe to this channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment below if you have any idea for the next videos. Have a great day.